Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to select colors in Krita. First, Krita has multiple ways to pick colors, and all are quick once you know them. The main tool is the Advanced Color Selector, usually visible on the right side of your UI. Click anywhere inside the circle or square to choose your hue and value. If you don't see the color selector, open it via Settings, Dockers, then Advanced Color Selector. Another quick way is the Color Selector tool, which is the eyedropper. Press P on your keyboard or click the eyedropper icon in the toolbar. Then click anywhere on your canvas to sample that pixel's color. This sets your foreground color immediately. You can also control-click anywhere in the canvas with any brush active. Krita will pick the color beneath your cursor and make it your active painting color. This is one of the fastest ways to sample while you draw. For even more control, open the palette Docker. If it's not on your screen, enable it via Settings, Dockers, then Palette. Here you store and recall saved swatches. Click a swatch to make it your active color instantly. And that's how you select color in Krita. Thanks for watching.